Welcome, and today we are going to learn how to read and write Korean. In order to learn how to read and write, you should first learn Korean alphabets, which is called Hangul. In Hangul, there are 40 alphabets, 19 consonants, and 21 vowels. I cannot teach all 40 alphabets in a single video because it is going to be too long. So I'm going to upload 3 series of videos to teach Hangul. In this first video, I'm going to teach how to read consonants. And in the next video, I will teach how to read vowels. And finally, in the last video, we are going to read full Korean words. Okay, so let's start. As I mentioned, there are 19 consonants and 21 vowels in Hangul. There are 2 ways to make a Korean letter. First way is to add 1 consonant with 1 vowel. And second way of making Korean letter is to add 2 consonants with 1 vowel. When there are 2 consonants in a letter, one of them is placed at the top and the other is placed at the bottom. And the vowel is usually placed right side or below the top consonant. We are going to learn this in more detail in the next video. Now we will learn about 19 consonants. So these are the 19 consonants in Korean. We will now learn their names and how it sounds one by one. You don't need to memorize their names, just try to focus more on how they sound. Okay, so let's start with the first alphabet. This first alphabet here is called 기역. It has a G sound, which sounds like 그. The second alphabet here is called 쌍기역, and it has a double G sound, which sounds like 그. Next one is called 니은, and it has a N sound, 드. Next is called 디귿 and has T sound, 드. Next is called 쌍디귿 and has double D sound, 뜨. Next one is called 리을 and has R sound, 르. Next is called 미음 and has M sound, 무. Next is called 비읍 and has B sound, 푸. Next is called 쌍비읍 and has double B sound, 뿌. Next is called 시옷. And one special thing about this alphabet is it has 2 different kinds of sound, S and T. What I mean by that is, as I mentioned, a single Korean letter can be made with 2 consonants with a single vowel. And whenever 2 consonants are used, one consonant places at the top and the other places at the bottom. If this 시옷 alphabet is placed at the top position, it makes S sound. But whenever it is placed at the bottom, it makes T sound. There are several other consonants that works in the exact same way, and whenever I am dealing with these consonants, I will write the sound that is made when placed at the top position first, and sound that is made at the bottom position below. Okay, let's keep going. Next alphabet is called 쌍시옷, and it has a double S sound when placed at the top and T sound when placed at the bottom. Next alphabet is called 이응, and when it is placed at the top, it does not make any sound. You can just ignore it. But when it is placed at the bottom, it makes NG sound, just like NG in the word sing. Next one is called 지읒, and it makes J sound when placed at the top. When it is placed at the bottom, it makes T sound. Next one is called 쌍지읒, and it makes double J sound when placed at the top. When it is placed at the bottom, it makes T sound. Next one is called 치읓, and it makes CH sound when placed at the top, just like CH sound in chocolate. When placed at the bottom, it makes T sound. Next one is called 키읔, and it makes K sound. Next one is called 티읕, and it makes T sound. Next one is called 피읕, it makes P sound. And finally, the last one is called 히읗, and it makes H sound. I know that this is a lot of alphabets, but don't worry too much, you'll get used to it. So today, we learned how to read consonants in Korean alphabet. In the next video, I will teach how to read vowels. Thank you. If you would like to watch more Korean lesson videos, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.